family and friends, but we wanted to recap what our summer looked like in Jackson, all the things we did, what our job was, and all of that. So here you go.
Living in the van was quite the experience. Bruce was able to experience the beauty of Jackson just as much as we did. Despite being difficult to host and have friends over, he sure did make it easy to adventure. It was pretty surreal living in Jackson. It felt like the backdrop to our life was a green screen.
Every day we would be up in the mountains doing the Via Ferrata. We were guides up there, so we would take tours of people in the morning and in the PM, pushing them to their limits, challenging them on the rock.
Look over there. What's down there?
Oh gosh.
No hands.
And in our days off, we did all sorts of activities. One of them is other stuff at the resort. If we weren't at the resorts, we were probably somewhere around town.
What are these fools doing? Look at her, she doesn't even care. She's on her phone.
Living right next to two of the most beautiful national parks in the country, we were always hiking. Yellowstone wasn't much farther than Grand Teton National Park. We were able to go out there and see all of the wildlife.
Give us something nice. Oh!
Oh, look at that. He heard you.
You're so silly with your pocket open like that. It's not oh wow, it's
The wildlife was by far my favorite thing living out in Jackson, both in Grand Teton National Park and Yellowstone and all around town. We were seeing wildlife all the time. Our summer in Jackson was so great that at the end of these travels, we are headed back to Jackson for the winter season to be ski instructors there.
And as always, my friends, do not forget to like and subscribe, and go ahead and leave a comment down below if you've done any of these activities or been to any of these places in Jackson, as well as if there's anything you think we missed. Catch you guys next time.